Assalamu alaikum. I'm Dr. Seemal Jelani from Chemistry Department, and this fall I'm offering this course Chem 421, which is the Pharmaceutical Chemistry. The classroom is S109, and it is going to be scheduled every Tuesday and Thursday at 8 a.m. early in the morning. Now, this course is basically the course which is related to drug designing and drug development, drug discovery, and we can study. It's the course which is totally related to the drugs. Okay, so um, we study some elements of biomedical analysis. We go for the pharmacology and everything. So this course is basically again a very technical course in which you understand the pharmaceutics of medicine. So actually, when we talk about the pharmacy, the very first thing which comes into the mind is the medicine. So here we are going to study in detail what is the pharmacy of all these medicines. So if I talk about the drugs, so there are many factors which are very important and crucial to understand that what would be the delivery system of this uh, drug, bioavailability of the drug, absorption of the drug, metabolism, and of course excretion of the drug. So here we study all these things, right? And we also understand some basic elements of biomedical analysis, which are pharmacology, we can say. We also can pharmacokinetics, we will study, and again we go for the pharmacodynamics of the drugs. Before we understand the scenario which I have built over here, before we go to understand the basic components of this pharmaceutical world, we need a very strong background of some topics. Number one, we must have a very strong grip on the chemistry of acids and bases, because in drugs, these acid, basic, and neutrality, these are very important. And number two, if acids and bases are there, then we also should know about the salts. So we need to have a very thick, concrete information about the acidic nature, basic nature, and salt. Then we also need to understand the chemistry, physicochemical properties of the drugs. This is very important, and here we will study with the perception of the different classes of the organic compounds, for example carboxylic acids, for example phenols, and we also go for the phenylbutazone, warfarin, indomethacin, and sulfonamides. So from these we will study what would be the physicochemical analysis and physicochemical properties of all these drugs. After having the skills of this physicochemical properties of the drugs, we now need to understand the drug metabolism. Drug metabolism is very important. Okay, and what kind of drug is, what would be the lead compound, to what extent either it's water soluble or it's water insoluble. These things are very important for the study of drugs. Then we come to the to understand the science of some rational drugs. This is also important, and we go for the some metabolic pathways. For example, cytochrome P450 is very important. It is abbreviated as CVP450. This is the enzymes, and we make many drugs by using this main thing. Uh, One thing is also very important, and that is the stereochemistry of the drug. Now, in organic chemistry, when we are studying the structures, this chapter, stereochemistry, is very important. So, why stereochemistry is important? Because the version of the drug is highly crucial. So we go for a case study, one case study, and that case study is of thalidomide, and we will see that what happened in the past when the when there was no concept about the stereochemistry of the structures, and that what would the what were the results of not taking care of stereochemistry of the structures. We also go for the some structural activity relationship SAR studies. We also go for some SAR studies. Now, SAR studies are normally done to improve the performance of the drugs. Okay, and this actually this is actually the modification of the drugs. We will understand these things also. And kinetics of drug stability is another very important topic, and we go for the rate order molecularity also, first order, second order, zero order, and so on. So this is the basic outline of this course 421 pharmaceutical chemistry. So if I talk about the assessment, the assessment is based on quizzes, final exams, mid exams, activities, course content activities, and so on. Uh, Addition to all these things, there will be a small project in which a medicine is given to you, and we will see that how can we go for the physicochemical analysis of those medicines. Last, we can also um, try to find something new in this course contents, something new. So, for the something new, I can give you one activity or assignment as a academic writing. Okay, where you start the extraction right beginning from the plant, and how you can convert, how you can isolate the main phytochemicals from the plants, and then you go for the drug analysis. So this academic writing would be the part of your assessment. So I hope you understand this course. It's again technical but very interesting course, and I hope to see you in fall semester. Thank you so much.